Good afternoon. My next experiment will be taking green copper 2 carbonate, formula CuCO3, reacting it with sulfuric acid, H2SO4, to make blue solution AQ of copper sulfate, CuSO4, plus water plus carbon dioxide. Carbonate plus acid gives salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. For those of you who can't remember the formula of sulfuric acid, here's one for you. Thomson was a scientist, alas he is no more. Instead of drinking H2O, he drank H2SO4. So I'm going to find my sulfuric acid, incorrectly spelt. The common entrance paper, which I am one of the co-authors for chemistry, is now spelling sulfur with an F. That's enough of that. So copper 2 sulfate can be formed by reacting sulfuric acid with copper 2 carbonate. Now I'm going to have a delivery tube attached, and I'm going to bubble any gas that's formed into lime water. So it's all about making observations in chemistry. That's the fun bit. So on the right there's the copper 2 carbonate, which is bubbling away with the acid. It's going to make copper sulfate, so it should go slightly blue in colour. Some bubbles are going into the freshly made lime water. I can see it slowly going cloudy, not colourless, cloudy, and you can say cloudy or milky. So I'm going to add a bit more acid, and then I'm going to try and bring this nearer to the camera. It's tricky. So copper 2 carbonate, falling apart, but I can reassemble it very quickly. Copper 2 carbonate plus sulfuric acid makes copper sulfate solution, and here you can see it on the angled test tube that the lime water is going cloudy or milky, which is when the carbon dioxide has been tested for, and lime water, as you know, is calcium hydroxide, and the milky white precipitate is calcium carbonate.